Hey, everyone. Welcome back to Reviewer Winspections, the go-to destination for best boxing gloves. If you're new here, I'm Nathan, and thrilled to have you join our community. Today's video is going to be top 5 boxing gloves, something I'm passionate about, and I think you'll love it too. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. But before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy it. It helps out the channel. Alright, let's get into today's content. Number 1. RDX Boxing Gloves Men/Women. These days, you can get a pretty good pair of boxing gloves without burning through your wallet. RDX makes great high-level gear but also some of the sturdiest affordable gloves on the market. At about $30, this pair hits all the marks: solid construction, balanced weighting, dense padding through the knuckles, and they just look cool. I'm also a fan of the faux leather material, which is just as durable as its more expensive real leather cousin. It used to be that you couldn't find a solid pair of boxing gloves, but these RDX really do the trick for anyone just getting into striking who doesn't want to make a big investment yet. Are your training gloves affecting your accuracy? The RDX gloves dissipate the force of impact across the specially made, pre-curved anatomical structure of the sparring gloves due to the presence of Quadro Dome 3 padding, which uses EVA foam and SpongeX sheet. Number 2. Hayabusa T3 Boxing Gloves for Men and Women. The Hayabusa T3 is a really high-quality glove with great wrist support, making it my top pick for beginners. Many new boxers can struggle with hand and wrist pain because of the misalignment of their joints when striking. To help solve this, the T3 runs a semi-rigid splint across the wrist, from the cuff to the knuckles, that helps keep the arm straight and knuckles in place when throwing a punch. Additionally, the dual straps help support the wrist and fortify it on impact. Multiple layers of dense padding help, too, and the gloves just plain look cool in pretty much every color variation. They take a few more rounds on the bag to break in than other brands, but that's a good thing for newbies. The dual wrist straps and splinting system work together to keep your wrists aligned with each punch. It locks your wrists in place when you strap up, preventing risky and damaging bends. Number 3. Ringside Apex Flash Sparring Glove. Ringside makes great equipment all around, and the Apex Flash line of boxing gloves is no exception. I find Ringside gloves to be well rounded around the knuckles, giving a bit more of a padded feel when landing heavy strikes. This is beneficial when you're going deep in rounds on a densely packed heavy bag that doesn't have much give. You want the slight bounce off the glove the Apex Flash will give you every time you throw a jab or a cross, so that a high-volume training session doesn't have a high-volume impact on your knuckles, elbows, or other joints. 2 1/4 inches of IMF, injected molded foam, tech is ideal for sparring or bag work. Durable and easy to clean synthetic leather shell with full wraparound hook and loop closure and attached thumb for safety. Get in shape one punch at a time with the comprehensive protection offered by these boxing, MMA, Muay Thai training workout gloves. Number 4. Faex BGV1 Muay Thai Boxing Gloves for Men, Women, Kids. Faex is one of the most well-respected names in boxing, kickboxing, and especially Muay Thai training equipment. Their gloves are superbly made, and they offer a wide variety of styles and colorways. I've probably owned more pairs of Faex gloves, shin pads, and shorts than any other brand. The BGV1 is a great standard issue glove, evenly weighted around the fist with a short cuff around the wrist. I chose them for sparring because the padding is strong enough to protect your knuckles but cushy enough not to thud too heavily on your training partner, and because the material doesn't easily degrade, which could scratch your training partner's face. Additionally, if you're working on the inside or doing clinch work, they have a classic hook shape to the palm side of the glove that helps maintain a grip on your opponent. Number 5. Yoa Matrix Muay Thai Boxing Gloves. Yoa boxing gloves are made of premium leather, providing excellent durability and protection for all your training needs, including pro boxing gloves and youth boxing gloves. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced fighter, our premium Muay Thai gloves offer the perfect balance of comfort and performance for all your training and sparring sessions, making them ideal boxing training gloves and punching gloves. These gloves offer superior wrist support, with an extra long cuff and secure Velcro closure that keeps your hands safe and stable during even the most intense workouts, making them great fighting gloves. Yoa boxing gloves come in a variety of designs, sizes, and colors to suit your individual preferences and needs, including 2 pairs of boxing gloves and a boxing glove set, making them an excellent value for money option for those looking for boxing gloves. Please like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the bell notification. That brings us to the end of our review and buyer's guide. Hope to see you in the next video. Let us know in the comments what is your favorite one, and we hope you like this video. If you want to know the product price, do check out the description box. Thanks for watching.